welcome back to another episode on the drivetrain of the cycle cart build. This is part 2, and in this video I'm making the support structure for the gearbox and stuff, the frame, which is the last part of the chassis, which means I can then finish painting the chassis. I've got some of these 25mm tubing, and I made some patterns out of card for how the metal will sit and the shapes. I made it like this, and I've cut this angle out so that I knew how to cut here. This will then be bent, welded across all those, and then this edge will sit in the back cross piece, and this face needs cutting at that angle and will sit on the back of the floor, that cross piece there. Yeah. As you can see, these two rails have been welded onto the chassis, completing the chassis, and meaning that the only thing left for it is paint. Well, correct paint, because this stuff did not work very well. But yeah, I think it's looking really good. There's the bolts that the U carriage goes in, and I've test fitted it, but I didn't get a video of it, and I've taken it off now, ready for paint, so that everything can get painted so far. But I think this is looking good. I'll show you what it looks like when it's back in now. I've finished painting the parts for the main section of the drivetrain. These parts of the bracket. In the drivetrain, I'm going to go for a sort of colourful look, like in something that I'll enter now. And what I've got is the parts which hold these all together. It's the motor, the gearbox, and then this adapter, which was 3D printed and just needed some cleanup of filler material in there. But it means that then this piece, which would have been extremely heavy if made out of aluminium and incredibly hard to manufacture, is perfect for it. So it bolts to there, and this side attaches to the back of here, and yeah, this is a friend of ours printed this out, and you'll see how it goes together in a time lapse now. Assembling the drivetrain. As you can see, the time lapse has been cut a bit short. This has all gone on well and it's all looking good. This fit, as this bit was laser cut, and so this fit to here is an interference fit, so it takes a little bit of tape pushing on, and as slowly tightening round, don't know if you can see on these, but these two next to these have both cracked, which, hang on, I'll grab a light. So it's quite predictable if I had thought about the design a bit more, because this thing I'd designed, you can see the crack down there and along here. That's on both sides of these two, not the other two are fine so far, but because of these edges, these corners here, I'm guessing are too sharp, which has caused the stress points, and that's why it's broken there. So I'll have to take all this apart again, or at least take this off, and either think, can I fix this or should I reprint another? And if I reprint another, does anyone have any ideas on how to prevent this from happening again? Alright, thank you for watching this video. Can't wait to hear what people say about this, what people think I should do, and I'll see you in the next video.